What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Mana for the Soul. I'm Nilam.
I'm Ronica.
And I'm Amira.
And today we make tandoori chicken wings.
And we made a beautiful sauce.
And it's super easy to make.
Let's get into it. The good thing about this is it's really healthy because it's not fried. It goes right in the oven.
And it's so simple to make. Let me go over these ingredients. We're using about 2 pounds of chicken wings, our kosher salt, ginger and garlic smashed, about a tablespoon of each. And here's our spices. We're gonna have our Garam Masala. And actually a tip, Garam Masala actually means, Garam means hot and Masala means mix.
So it's a hot mix.
Yes, just like us.
Period.
Yes, okay. So Garam Masala, we have turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Also, we have rice, but what we're gonna do is actually put it in the blender and make rice flour. So we have our limes, we have our Greek yogurt, so it's gonna be really healthy, and some tandoori spice.
Okay, so we already washed our chicken, of course, and we're gonna cut it.
So you're gonna pick up your chicken wing, and there's 2 parts to it. There's actually 3 parts to it. So you're gonna go ahead and actually find the part of the skin, glide downwards, and then you can find the joint where it's gonna pretty much just come apart. Wasn't it like, didn't it just glide?
Simple as that.
And you're gonna do the same thing to the flat part, that joint, and you're gonna also find the joint and it just pretty much just glides apart. And that's it.
Do you guys like flats or drums?
Drums.
Flats.
Okay, now we're gonna get to mixing all our ingredients in. We got a bigger bowl.
Yeah. So, Mary, you're gonna go ahead and get the mixing. I'm gonna put this in.
All right, you guys, random question. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be? I'll go first. I would become one of those psycho morning people who like wake up at 4 in the morning and take the day naturally and they don't feel anything about it and they just love, like, you know. And I would be like one of those psycho schedulers.
I gotta talk about this spice. This is Tandoori Heaven. It's from Flora and Mana. Get you some Tandoori Heaven because like it's gonna make it fire.
What are you talking about?
Fire, fire.
Oh.
So, smell it.
Yeah.
It's legit.
Spice.
Okay?
Wow, that really is good. What is this called? Period.
So when it comes to myself, I don't know, there's a lot of things I need to work on. I would say I would like to be a little bit better and more committed. Sometimes I,
Don't we all?
like lose motivation, but you know what's key? Dedication.
Right.
So I gotta be a little bit more dedicated and stay on it. So things that we gotta work on.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this color. Look at that. That looks like so good. And you're just gonna let this marinate. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm gonna be like, why not?
Period.
Okay?
Y'all make sure y'all get that seasoning.
Yes. And now what you wanna do is marinate. The longer the better. So we're gonna do for probably about an hour, but if you could put this in the refrigerator for 4 hours and just let it sit and just marinate, yeah.
Okay, no.
So good.
All right, you guys, we're about to make the jalapeno cilantro sauce. Can you let me know what we're working with here?
Oh my God, it's like so much flavor. So we have cilantro, sour cream, Greek yogurt, cumin, cucumbers, jalapenos, and you could go less on the jalapenos if it's too hot. Some lime and garlic, fresh garlic. And you could also go less on the garlic if it's too much garlic.
Yeah, and we have salt and pepper, and it's super easy to make because all you have to do is throw it in a blender.
That's it, and it's done. Oh my God. Ooh.
That looks good. Oh, and it smells good.
It looks so good.
Period.
And with the sauce, like,
oh, yeah.
we got the sauce. All right, here's the finished product.
This looks so beautiful.
Yeah, I love
am
it.
So ready for this.
Yes, like
So good.
it smells so good. And we're gonna get messy.
Okay, so we ready to make it. I'm gonna do a flat.
Okay, gotta dip some sauce. There we go. Let's see how it is. Oh my God.
Paired with this sauce, it's perfect.
Oh my God.
Sorry, it was so juicy. Like I had to grab a napkin. This is so good.
Period.
Forget about going to any restaurant, because I know prices are high right now. It didn't take us long to make this. Like, only needs 30 minutes to bake. That's it.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As you know, it helps us out as new YouTubers, and we really appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.